Physical person complete DAX. I'm not gonna talk about physical person complete so deeply because here I've limited time, but I've talked in deep in our Excel all you need course, and of course I will talk more on the full version of Power BI. Anyway, let's go through it. On actual cost, right-click and new measure. Name is physical person complete. This is physical person complete DAX measure. I drag and drop it into the chart. Actual cost person DAX. On actual cost, I right-click and new measure. Name is actual cost percent. And I type the formula. It is added under actual cost query. I drag and drop it into the chart. If I drag activity name in this chart, it will be shaped as a chart. And we need planned cost percent. Let's type it. Planned cost percent DAX. Okay, in planned cost query, I right-click and select new measure. Name is planned cost percent. And the DAX. I type it. It is added under planned cost. I drag and drop it into the chart. Drag and drop actual cost percent into the chart also. And we can see the comparison of these two percentages according to the activities. So drag and drop activity name into the chart. It is no matter from which query we drop activity name. I select it from actual cost. You can select from planned cost. These are the same. That's it. We have created a dashboard, but let me add a WBS slicer in this top. A slicer in Power BI. This slicer is like filtering. Let's insert it and you will see what I mean. Click on this empty place and make sure that any visual elements are selected. Then click on the slicer icon from visualization bar. It is added. I want to slice WBSs. So drag and drop it into the slicer. When I was resizing, I selected a WBS. That's why it is filtered. I remove the filter and come back to our slicer. They are added. Here, as you see, the elements of a slicer are like radio buttons. I want to have them in squares because I think it is user-friendly. So select the slicer and from Format, open General section, scroll it down, and in Orientation, Instead of vertical, select horizontal. That's so simple, right? For example, I select map. All the data in charts and cards are changed according to map. Right, we have successfully implemented the sketch in Power BI. Now, it is time to arrange the dashboard. Change the colors and font sizes. So let's continue with designing lesson.